How's everyone doing today? Today we're looking at the Star Model BM pistol from Spain. This was purchased by J&G. Came in the original box. The box is actually in really good condition. Open it up here. Here's an owner's manual. Very good condition, by the way. A lot of good information in here. No pages torn, no pages ripped, no stains, everything looks really good. Anyhow, that's the owner's manual. Here's the pistol. It does come with a cleaning rod. I did opt to get a second 8-round magazine. The Star Model BM pistols are chambered in 9mm by 9x19, 9mm Luger, 9mm Parabellum, whatever you really want to call it. They do not feature a grip safety like the 1911s, although if you have run 1911s, you'll be right at home with the Star Model BM. Safety is nice and crisp. You can see a little bit of wear on this one, but there is no rust. The roll marks you can still see. Right here would be the original number from the factory. These pistols are incredibly comfortable in the hand. I really can't explain it on camera. It is just really at home. If you like 1911s, it'll fit your hand just fine. It does have a magazine safety, not something I'm very crazy about. You'll note that there's a couple of mill marks in the slide and the grip. This was some sort of deal between either the importer or the mediator between the deal or the factory themselves. That they had to remove the star symbol. Some of these pistols they did not blue where the mill cut into them. This one happens to be blued. That's kind of interesting. I haven't seen that yet, but it has been blued. They're just really nice pistols. They're really solid. They're really smooth. You know, tight, smooth pistol. Yeah, just feels really good in the hand. Rifling is crisp. I know you really can't see in there, but it really is. Guide rod is steel. All steel pistol. Grips are plastic. Sights are dovetailed on the rear, so you can adjust the rear left or right. Proof mark on the barrel. Just a little bit snappier, these smaller BMs. These feature a 4-inch barrel. They're just a little snappier than their big brother, the Star Model B or Star Super B. But they're just nice little pistols, and honestly, for right now, as of 2019, early 2019, for $180, I really don't see you getting much more for your money. I realize there's a few pistols that are around that $180 mark that you can buy that are more modern than this pistol, but pound for pound, it's really hard to argue that a full steel pistol is not worth that. These work extremely well. They're very reliable. Is not worth $180. Right here is stamped the year, so you can see that this is a 1979. These pistols were actually used in wars, a few wars to note, the Rhodesian War, the Libyan Civil War, and the South African Border War. These pistols weigh in at 35 ounces. They're about 7 inches long, and like I said, 4-inch barrel, 8-inch box magazine. Yeah, they feel really good. They made about, I want to say, over 200,000 of these pistols between 1972 and 1992. They're just really solid pistols, and they stayed in service until they got replaced by the Beretta 92. So yeah, if you are interested in a 9mm 1911 style pistol, I probably wouldn't feel bad about recommending one of these. I'd probably pick one up. Why not? $180, you really can't go wrong, and you can just pile the rounds through them. You can pick up different grips if you want different grips. I'm pretty sure you can get springs, the recoil springs, which is not a bad idea to replace. They have been in there for a while. But yeah, I mean, the finish, honestly is really good. And they do have hand selects, or they had hand selects. Who knows how fast they're going to go, but yeah, just a little bit of wearing on the bluing right there, and a little bit here on the other side. Yeah, for $180, I really don't see how you can go wrong. Anyhow, that's the Star Model BM pistol in 9x19. Thanks for watching. Be safe and have fun on the range.